No.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We're Davor and Andrash from the Sweet Tech TV. Today we're gonna do a comparison video between the iPhone SE 2020 and the iPhone 11. Two of the more affordable iPhones at the moment.
So let's start with design.
Yep.
Screen of the iPhone 11 is bigger.
Yep, for sure.
Yeah, almost no bezels.
Yep.
But with a notch. So, you know, take it or leave it. They both have
Glass backs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the one funny thing that we noticed, iPhone 11 can almost fit the entire SE in the display area.
Yeah, so look at this.
I mean, there's just no comparison.
It's kind of funny.
It's funny. And because the iPhone 11 is bigger, it's also easier to type on, like Davor can tell you from first-hand experience.
The SE was a nightmare to type on.
Yeah.
I'm just used to bigger phone, so it was just too small of a screen for me.
But it's also better for watching YouTube or any other video content.
iPhone 11, because of the bigger screen, then you can enjoy the video more thoroughly.
I mean, look at this real estate. It's just
it's
bonkers.
Not comparable to the SE.
No.
So if we go on to the internals, both phones have great internals. The SE has 3 GB of RAM. The 11 has 4 GB of RAM.
Not much.
Not much, but still, like we talked in our last Slovenian video, it doesn't need much RAM to run.
Optimization is king.
Yep. And another funny little thing, the iPhone 8's motherboard actually fits into this phone kind of perfectly, because this is basically an iPhone 8 with just better 2020 specs. Also, both phones have 2 SIM slots. One is physical here, and the other one is actually an eSIM that you can scan a QR code that you get. Currently, A1 and Telecom here in Slovenia are offering it, and it's fun. I have it in my phone. It's like you're living in the future, and everything is so awesome that you don't even need a physical SIM card.
Yeah, and you also have choice.
Yeah,
it's fine. Camera. So both photos on both phones are similar, but there is still, you know, some headspace when it comes to the 11. I mean, mostly because of the hardware.
Yeah, because still the hardware is more modern here. They both have the A13 Bionic, the latest chip from Apple. So the software processing is similar on both phones, but still the hardware wins out for the iPhone 11.
So 5 times zoom,
digital zoom,
on the both. So it's not that big of a difference.
Not big of a difference, but still hardware is king on the iPhone 11. Because there's like more sharpness in the photos taken, and also less noise.
Yeah, but we can agree on this. There is no comparison when it comes to the camera ever.
No, like SE only has the one lens, and iPhone 11 has 2 lenses.
Yeah. So when it comes to the ultralight, you know, iPhone 11 takes 180-degree angle ultralight
shot. Which is very useful.
Yeah, you can get like a lot of content.
A wider field of view. It's usable because if you go somewhere and try to take a photo of a bigger building, you don't have to take a lot of steps back. You can just turn on the ultrawide and you get a good shot.
Yeah, or with a party with a bunch of people. We use it constantly, so it is an added value.
Yeah, a lot of added value for me.
Yeah, but when it comes to the low light shots, iPhone 11 wins.
It's better.
Yeah, because there's just less noise, and particularly we noticed that in the sky
area, sky area.
And also, you know, it's basically because the iPhone 11 has integrated night mode.
Yeah, for sure. iPhone SE doesn't have it. So if you look here at the photos from a very dark environment, like a little forest, in an environment with no light around it, the 11 produces the better night photography photos, and you can at least see what the picture is about. Because on the SE, it's just a lot of darkness.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Yeah, so not really usable.
Not really usable. No.
But you know, when it comes to the selfie camera, I mean, it's good on both phones.
Yep. Sure.
Yeah, so photos are usable from both devices, and you can see that in the camera and microphone performance in the following video.
Okay, and this is the video from the front camera of the iPhone SE. You can see Davor in the background with the bad boy P40 Pro. We're still filming in the background. So you can see that the quality is pretty much Davor. Yes. So, you know, good specs for good money. You should be the judge of the quality of this video.
So, like you can see, there's much of a difference. They are both good for the price point.
Yeah.
And if you're doing a lot of front-facing videos like vlogging and that, both are good.
Both are good.
Quality.
The sound quality, I think, is comparable. And for the price point, it's awesome. And here for the rear video, we'll let you be the judges of that. We're just gonna roll a video. The rear video looks good.
Mm-hmm.
It's still a little bit better on the iPhone 11. Again, hardware, but yeah, you should be the judge of that. And you can see in the video here.
Yeah, bigger difference when it comes to the battery.
Yep.
Battery is better on the 11.
Yep.
As tests have shown.
Yep. Like Mr. Who's the Boss did the video, and the battery on the SE died pretty quickly. So yeah. Yeah,
I mean the capacity is much bigger on the 11, even though the screen itself is bigger.
But still, the capacity is so much bigger than on the SE that the screen size doesn't take away.
Yeah, true. I mean, it is better than SE, but you have to understand you can still find the other phones out there with bigger batteries, with much better performance. You know, but you can still get a day of worth of battery with the 11.
Yeah.
Little less with SE.
Yeah.
You should still confidently go through the whole workday on both of them.
Yep.
Price.
iPhone
11 is still more expensive than the SE because like price hasn't dropped much.
The iPhone's prices don't drop much. The 11 is around 700 euros here in Slovenia. The SE is around, I think, 500 euros.
Yeah, I think.
So after this comparison, you can see how much each of the phones offer you for their money, how much you get from both devices for the money.
So recap.
Yeah, in short, we still think that the iPhone 11 is a better phone. The price shows it, and then the minor details like the camera hardware and the battery that are better on the 11. Also, iPhone 11, I think we both think that it's more suited for young people who use social media a lot, who watch videos on it, and also because it's more of a modern design without these ugly bezels on the top and the bottom. So
yeah, but you know, on the contrary, the SE is more suitable for average user.
Yeah.
Like someone who doesn't value those two things that much, you know, and it values her
just
money.
The performance and the money. So yeah, this is pretty much it for the video. I hope you like the comparison, and that I hope that we helped you decide between the two phones if you're currently in the process of buying one. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please like our video, subscribe to our channel, more content is coming. Tell us in the comments.
Yeah, which one do you buy, you know, and why? So
yeah. Would you buy the SE or the 11? So tell us down in the comments.
But
and
that's all for today.
yeah. Thank you for watching again, and see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.